Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here with me again. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming videos. And if you'd like to see something more personal, you can always find the link in my bio. Today I'm focusing on a small corner at home that deserves attention. Sometimes the smallest spaces carry the biggest influence on how the whole room feels. Even if they look fine at first glance, they often hold little traces of daily life. Taking a moment to refresh them brings back balance and calm. For me, cleaning is more than removing dust or rearranging things. It's a quiet ritual, a way of creating harmony around me. When I spend time on details, I feel the atmosphere of the home shift. The air feels lighter, the space feels calmer, and the whole room becomes more welcoming. I believe these small routines matter just as much as larger ones. They remind me that comfort is built from simple habits and a little bit of consistency. Every time I do something like this, I feel not only that the home looks better, but also that my own energy resets. It's a way of caring for the environment and for myself at the same time. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more calm cleaning routines. And remember, if you'd like to see something more personal, there's always extra content waiting in my bio.